Did you know robots are not just in movies? They're in your local store. Here's how. Every day, millions of products are sorted, picked, and packed in warehouses around the world. But did you know a significant part of this process is now handled by robots? Let's meet some of these robotic workers. First up, meet Kiva, the robot that Amazon uses. These robots aren't like the ones in sci-fi films. They're more like intelligent, automated shelves. They navigate through the warehouse, bringing products to human workers. This cuts down the time workers spend walking, boosting efficiency by up to 20%. Imagine walking less and working more. That's what Kiva does. Now let's zoom into another star, the auto store system. Picture this. Shelves stacked vertically, and small robots scooting around on top, retrieving items for orders. These robots work like a well-oiled machine, reducing human error and speeding up the order fulfillment process. They're not just fast, they're precise, ensuring the right product gets to the right customer. But it's not just about speed. Robots like the Fetch Robotics freight robot focus on safety. They move heavy items, reducing the risk of injuries to human workers. This isn't just good for workers. It's good for business, cutting down on medical leaves and insurance costs. Here's the conflict. With robots taking over these tasks, what happens to human jobs? The truth is, while some jobs are automated, new roles emerge. Robots need maintenance, programming, and supervision, creating jobs that require higher skills. The human touch isn't gone. It's just evolved. The aha moment here is that robots in warehouses aren't replacing humans. They're enhancing human capabilities, making our lives easier and more efficient. They're not the future. They're the now, transforming how we work and shop. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today.